Samsung is gearing up to throw down in the foldable phone wars, and the S Pen might just be its secret weapon. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 dropped the stylus, leaving fans disappointed. But now Samsung is testing S Pen support on future Galaxy Z Fold 8 variants, all in attempts to go head-to-head with Apple's rumored iPhone Fold. But don't get too excited yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 itself may still skip the stylus. Why? Samsung wants to keep its foldable sleek and thin, and adding an S Pen would bulk things up. Instead, tipsters say the S Pen may debut on a new, wider foldable device boasting a 4:3 aspect ratio perfectly sized to match Apple's rumored foldable dimensions. Leaks from Universes hint the new Samsung Foldable could open to 7.6 inches, nearly mirroring the 7.58-inch rumored screen on Apple's folding phone. When folded, both devices will sit around 5.4 inches, giving Samsung a direct shot at Apple's rumored 4:3 foldable design. Samsung is basically making a book-style foldable that isn't quite the Galaxy Z Fold 8, aiming at Apple's future iPhone Fold, and adding S Pen support could be the sweetener that wins over stylus lovers. Of course, the rumored dimensions for Apple's device have shifted recently, so either leaks are off or Apple itself has changed plans. Either way, with Samsung and Apple sharing suppliers and likely peeking at each other's playbooks, the foldable showdown in 2026 is shaping up to be a very close fight. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.